crippling daddy issues. Hilarious. What are you in for? Testosterone too hard?
That can happen? Awesome. Hey, those bandages look pretty badass.
Oh. Ew. Gross. I hate that you said that.
So, what's the,
Sick as hell railgun? Sci-fi nonsense. That super works. I'm sneaking to the murder drone lair tonight to get the last spare part I need to save the world with it and earn my dad's respect and stuff. But mostly the world part. Daddy issues. Hilarious. What are you in for? Testosterone too hard?
That can happen? Awesome. Hey, those bandages look pretty badass.
Oh. Ew.
So, what's the,
Sick as hell railgun? Sci-fi nonsense. That super works. I'm sneaking to the murder drone lair tonight to get the last spare part I need to save the world with it and earn my dad's respect and stuff. But mostly the world part.
Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse, outside. Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse, outside.
Ugh. For the record, that was the lamest heel-face turn in history. Was that supposed to be you switching sides?